guys! Hello to another hide and seek with CJ. He's recording too. She's the seeker. And I'm the hiders with Zion. I mean Zion. You can call him Lucas.
This is Zion, guys.
Zion 30.
This is Zion, guys, by the way. And this is my brother. It's Zion 30, and this is Ryan.
Okay. I'm recording too by CJ. And then, hide and seek challenge. Timer starts now! Guys. I have a perfect idea for Zion. What if I become a basket?
Dalawa tayo dito eh.
Zion, hindi!
Alright guys, 1 minute has passed. Let's see. Hey!
Shut up!
Pasok mo dyan sa pinasok niya sa pagpasok sa screen, dumang siya doon pag bumili. Kaya minsan natin, ayaw ni Adi ko yata.
Magbili ka na.
Ayaw niya.
Guys,
Kahit ganyan yung bahay.
Lucas got found.
Kasi Ate Judith may silang palunit. Saka yung bata ka na. Alam mo sana yung bahay. Saka ang mga ganyang bata, pasensya, bahay, pasensya mo.
Tingnan myself out. I'm writing myself. It's a epic montage now. Get out of the way! I know where CJ is. Hey, I'm gonna rat someone out. Come here. I'm ratting Zion. It's almost done, so bye guys. So come here.
Anong buhat ko? Ganyan o. Ganyan ang buhat ko. Siyempre kagahin pa yung pangalan.
Bye guys. Part 2 soon.